Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our YouTube channel School of Biology. Today we are going to discuss the most important questions about neurobiology. The other name of neurobiology is neuroscience और आज के इस वीडियो के अंदर हम मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। लिहाजा आपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक न सिर्फ देखना है बल्कि पूरी तवज्जो के साथ सुनना भी है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। आज का पहला क्वेश्चन है साइंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ नर्वस सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड ऑप्शन ए न्यूरोपैथी, न्यूरोलॉजी, न्यूरोबियोलॉजी, नन ऑफ दिस। ऑप्शन ए इज इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज न्यूरोपैथी इज द स्टडी ऑफ डैमेज डन टू वन और मोर नर्व्स। ऑप्शन बी इज आल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज न्यूरोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ डिसऑर्डर्स ऑफ नर्वस सिस्टम। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी। Neurobiology is the scientific study of nervous system and it is also known as neuroscience. Question number 2. The outermost covering of brain is option A choroid, option B arachnoid, option C dura mater, option D all of these. So हम जानते हैं कि जो ब्रेन की कवरिंग है उन्हें meninges कहते हैं और ये 3 लेयर्स पर मुश्तमिल होती हैं और यहाँ पे आउटर मोस्ट का पूछा गया है। Option A is incorrect because choroid layer is present in our eye. Option B is also incorrect because arachnoid is the innermost covering of brain. So correct answer is option C. Dura mater is the outermost covering of brain. Question 3. Space inside the olfactory lobes is called option A rhinocole, diacole, paracole, metacole. Option D is incorrect because metacole is the caudal part of fourth ventricle. Option C is also incorrect because first and second ventricles are known as paracole. Option B is also incorrect because diacole is the name of third ventricle. So correct answer is option A. Rhinocole is the space between the olfactory lobes of brain. Question 4. Ventricles present in cerebral hemispheres are called option A paracole, option B metacole, option C both of these, option D none of these. So correct answer is option A. Ventricles present in cerebral hemisphere are known as paracole. Question 5. Which one of these processes is found only in animals? Option A nervous control, hormonal control, respiration, diffusion. So correct answer is option A. Nervous control is found only in animals. Question 6. Cavity within the spinal cord is called option A neurocole, option B blastocole, option C enterocole, option D schizocole. So correct answer is option A. Neurocole is the cavity within the spinal cord. Question 7. Third ventricle is found in option A brain of rabbit, heart of rabbit, option C kidney of frog, option D heart of frog. So correct answer is option A. Third ventricle is found in the brain of rabbit. Question 8. The part of brain not present in frog but present in rabbits is option A corpus stratum, option B corpus callosum, option C corpus luteum, option D none of these. So correct answer is option B. Corpus callosum is present in brain of rabbit. और आपने ये भी याद रखना है कि corpus callosum जो है दो cerebral hemispheres के दरमियान मौजूद होता है। Question 9. Brain and spinal cord in frog are covered with which of the following meninges? meninges जो है वो प्रोटेक्टिव कवरिंग होती हैं ब्रेन के गिर्द। ऑप्शन ए है पायामीटर, ऑप्शन बी ड्यूरामीटर, ऑप्शन सी बोथ ऑफ दीज. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. बोथ पायामीटर एंड ड्यूरामीटर आर प्रेजेंट इन spinal cord and brain of frog. Question 10. Cerebral hemispheres are the center of option A thinking, willpower, reasoning, option D all of these. So correct answer is option D all of these. Question 11. Hypothalamus is formed by option A ventral wall of diencephalon, Option B, roof of diencephalon. Option C, side of diapole. Option D, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Hypothalamus is formed by ventral wall of diencephalon. Diencephalon जो है forebrain का दूसरा नाम है. Question 12. Subarachnoid space separates. Option A, pyometer and arachnoid. Option B, dura mater and arachnoid matter. Option C, dura mater with arachnoid matter. Option D, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Subarachnoid space is present between pyometer and arachnoid matter. Question 13. Which of the following is a thin, transparent, non-vascular meninges around central nervous system? Option A, dura mater. Option B, pyometer. Option C, arachnoid matter. Option D, gray matter. So correct answer is option C. Arachnoid matter is a non-vascular and transparent meninges present around the central nervous system. Question 14. Which of the following cells are most abundant in central nervous system? Option A, astrocytes. Option B, oligodendrocytes. Option C, microglia. Option D, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Astrocytes are the most abundant cells in central nervous system. Question 15. Which of the following option is correct option for the innermost meninges of central nervous system? They are very thick and tough. They are very thin and vascularized. Option C, they are highly vascularized. Option D, they are thin and non-vascularized. So correct answer is option B, they are thin and vascularized. Question 16. Which of the following is toughest? Option A, pyometer. Option B, arachnoid matter. Option C, dura mater. Option D, none of the given. So correct answer is option C. Dura mater is the outermost covering of brain that is very toughest in nature. Question 17. Which of the following is adherent to brain? Option A, arachnoid. Option B, pyometer. Option C, dura mater. Option D, none of the given. So correct answer is option B, pyometer is adherent to the brain. Question 18. Which of the following does not have lumen? Option A, cerebrum. Option B, cerebral hemisphere. Option D, diencephalon. Option D, medulla. So correct answer is option B, cerebral hemisphere doesn't have any lumen. Question 19. Which of the following is not related to forebrain? Lateral ventricle, inferior colliculi. Option C, corpus callosum. Option D, voluntary locomotion. So correct answer is option B. Inferior colliculi is not the part of forebrain. Actually, it is the part of midbrain. Question 20. Which of the following have major coordinating center for sensory and motor signals? Option A, brainstem. Option C, pons. Option C, midbrain. Option D, thalamus. So correct answer is option D. Thalamus is a major coordinating center. Question 21. It has center to regulate body temperature. Option A, thalamus, hypothalamus, corpora quadrilemma. Option D, pons. So correct answer is option B. Hypothalamus has center to regulate body temperature. Question 22. Limbic system along with which regulates the sexual behavior. Option A, hypothalamus. Option B, thalamus. Option C, cerebral cortex. Option D, cerebrum. So correct answer is option A. Limbic system along with hypothalamus regulates the sexual behavior in animals. Question 23. ऑन विच साइड ऑफ द ब्रेन कार्पोरा क्वाड्रिलीमा इज प्रेजेंट। यहाँ पे ये क्वाड्रिलीमा नहीं है, क्वाड्रिजेमिना है। क्वाड्रिजेमिना इज प्रेजेंट। ऑप्शन ए डॉर्सल साइड, ऑप्शन बी वेंट्रल साइड, ऑप्शन सी lateral side, option D ventrolateral side. So correct answer is option A. Corpora quadrigemina is present on the dorsal side of midbrain. Question 24. Cranial nerves supplying eye muscles are, कि वो कौन सी cranial nerves हैं जो eye muscles को जो है सप्लाई करती हैं। ऑप्शन ए 4, 5, 6, ऑप्शन बी 3, 4, 5, ऑप्शन सी 4, 5, 6, 7, ऑप्शन डी 3, 4 और 6। So correct answer is option D. Cranial nerve 3, 4 और 6 are supplying materials to eye muscles. Question 25. A cranial nerve with maximum branches in the body is, option A auditory nerve, option B trigeminal nerve, option B vagus nerve, option D facial nerve. So correct answer is option C. Vagus nerve have maximum branches inside our body. Question 26. Which one is mixed nerve? Option A oculomotor, option B trochlear, option C hypoglossal, option D glossopharyngeal. So correct answer is option D. Glossopharyngeal is a mixed nerve while the remaining 3 are motor nerves. Question 27. Visual area is localized in which part of forebrain? Option A occipital lobe, option B parietal lobe, option C frontal lobe, option D temporal lobe. So correct answer is option A. Visual information received through occipital lobe of cerebrum. Question 28. In hypothalamus are located various centers of circulation, sleep, memory, body temperature. So correct answer is option D. Hypothalamus contains centers of maintaining body temperature. Question 29. How many pairs of spinal nerves are found in humans? Option A 33 pairs, 32 pairs, 31 pairs, 30 pairs. So correct answer is option C. Spinal nerves are total 31 pairs in number. Question 30. One of the example of action of autonomous nervous system is, option A peristalsis of intestine, option B knee jerk response, option C swallowing of food, option D papillary reflex. So correct answer is option B. Knee jerk responses are because of the action of autonomous nervous system. Question 31. Which of the following cranial nerve is not a motor nerve? Option A cranial nerve 7, cranial nerve 4, cranial nerve 2, cranial nerve 3. So correct answer is option A. Cranial nerve 7 is not a motor nerve, बल्कि ये क्या होती है, एक facial nerve है. Question 32 जो कि आज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है वो है peristalsis is stimulated by, option A sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, option C both of these, option D none of these. So correct answer is option A. Peristalsis of food is done by sympathetic nervous system. तो ये थे आज के 32